Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to automatically share calendars to new group members in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. In today's fast-paced work environment, efficient collaboration and seamless communication are key to ensuring productivity. One important aspect of collaboration is calendar sharing, especially within Google Workspace. Calendar sharing plays a vital role in effective team coordination and scheduling. It allows team members to view each other's availability, schedule meetings, and stay informed about upcoming events. By automating the calendar sharing process, you can save time, eliminate errors, and enhance collaboration within your organization. xFanatical Foresight automation tool simplifies the process of granting access to calendars, ensuring that everyone has the necessary visibility and can stay up to date with team schedules. Creation of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the group member added trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Sign in with Google to grant approvals to xFanatical Foresight in Google Workspace. In the Edit Trigger screen, specify the target group to monitor. If you leave this field empty, the rule will be triggered when any group is joined. This is useful if you want to track a particular employee joining any groups. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Email action. Select the To field from the Variables drop-down menu. This variable represents the new group member. Fill in the subject field. Compose email body. Share your calendar links with the new group member, along with other resources. Variables such as the member's email, first name, last name, and the group name are available. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. The rule has been successfully created. To trigger the rule, assign users to specific groups in the Google Admin Console to ensure rules are applied correctly. Select a user, then click Users, then Add to Groups. This will include the user in the specified groups and activate the rule. Result verification. A notification will pop up in the top right corner. Click on it, then choose View Log to view the detail. Verify Gmail to confirm that welcome emails, including the calendar links, have been successfully sent. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.